the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from a life of the hopeless? Now yeah, you want, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying.
They make me feel better. I finally got you out my bed, but I still can't get you out my head. Ooh, and I'm sending you one text at a time. Know you're by your phone, boy, pick up your line. I ain't too proud to beg, so what's been said has been said, and I need you to know that you don't know what love is. I need you to know you don't know what love is. If you don't put up a fight, you don't know what love is. If you won't stay up all night, ooh, you don't know love is. If you're too good to call a million times, and you say you know what love is, but I swear you've never seen it in your life. They look up to me, they look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me, straight up to my face, straight up to my face. I've been down too long, it looks like up to me, but they look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me, straight up to my face. Straight up to my face. You don't know what love is if you don't stay up all night. You don't know what love is.
Hey guys, good morning. You guys haven't probably heard my voice in this vlog, and that's because it was intentional. I intended to do a silent vlog.
Okay, I need to be silent.
I intended to do a silent vlog, guys, but I just couldn't. I love talking to you guys. But yeah, guys, I'm currently at my hostel's relaxation center. Today is Thursday, and today is freshers balloting. My brother is a fresher, as you guys know, so I want to help him ballot. Hopefully he gets hostel. I feel like male hostel is not that complicated to get. It's only female, but never say never. This school, we're just tired. But yeah, guys, that's the agenda for today. We're gonna try and ballot, and I pray to God in heaven that we get. Bye, guys. And yeah, hope you're enjoying this vlog so far.
So I'm beginning to think I'm gonna in love. My niggas are coming upon me now.
Hi guys, so I'm going to the hospital now. I want to help my mom get her drugs. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, and I'm looking all cute. And they are doing something outside my hostel. I don't know what they are doing. Let me show you guys.
Oh, you don't know what love is. If you're too good to call a million times, and you say you know what love is, but I swear you've never seen it.
So guys, just here. Just collecting my mom's food, and I've been at my student. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry, guys. girl is going focus.
Threw away your love letters. I thought it make me feel better. I finally got you.
Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Yeah, make sure you like,
Share,
subscribe,
subscribe.
share to your friends, and watch this place.
Heard what he said. You guys, this lecturer is mad. She's literally accepting people only if they buy drink to the class. But yeah.
Yeah, so we want to look into the lecturer who is asking for drinks for students in
Just to maintain